In this lesson, we're going to be creating a new Active Directory user, and we're going to be logging in as that domain user. So go to users. If you remember from our last lesson, we created HR, and we created under HR, we created two organization units, which is computer and users. So right click on users and go to new, go all the way down to user and enter the name of the new domain user. Let's enter an account for Tom Collins. All right. So Tom is the first name, last name is Collins. Full name is Tom Collins. The user login will just be very simple, T Collins. All right. So the phone will be tcollins@techakin.com. Click on next. Provide a very secure password for Tom Collins. And confirm the password. Right, and in this option you can leave it by default. User must change password at next login. This is very useful. For example, if we have new employee that's going to be starting, let's say for in 2 or 3 weeks time, we can set this option to let them change the password to their preferable password. So click on next and click on finish. Once you click on finish, as you can see, we now have a new domain user. His name is Tom Collins. Right click on Tom Collins and go to properties. All right, you can see attributes of Tom Collins here. You look at his profile. He's now a member of TechAkin.com and is a domain user. Click on OK. Now let's head over to Tom Collins' computer and try to log in to the domain as Tom Collins. So this is our Windows 7 computer. Let's switch user. Let's go to other user. And let's type the domain controller name, TechAkin /T Collins. And let's enter Tom Collins' password. As you can see, we receive a message. The user's password must be changed before logging on for the first time. Because this is the first time that Tom Collins is logging in, we have to change the password because of the rule that we set previously for the password. So click on OK. Enter a new password for Tom Collins. Confirm the new password for Tom Collins. And click on login. Now the system is now changing our password, and you now receive a message, your password has been changed. Now let's click on OK so we can log in. We are now fully logged in as Tom Collins. So let's go and verify. Click on start. Go all the way to the top. As you can see, Tom Collins is now logged in. There's another way you can verify. Go to computer. Go to the C drive and go to users. You can see Tom Collins' profile has now been created as part of the users on this domain computer. Right? You can also check by going into the command prompt and type in who am I. As you can see, the user is T Collins. So this concludes the lesson on how to create a domain user and how to actually log in with that domain user into a new computer. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.